Once you're out and ready to bird, just open up the eBird app. You want to make sure that the start time is correct to get an accurate count of birds. Toggle on Record Track to see a map of where you've walked. And then just click Start Checklist and you're ready to bird. Adding birds is simple. As you're on your walk, if you see a new bird species, you can type the name of the bird that you find and add the number that you count. This can be done in a few different ways. You can type the bird's name in the search bar or the species code if you know that information, and it will pull a list from your downloaded bird pack. Just select the bird that you'd like to count and add the number of that species that you've seen. You can add extra details about this observation if you'd like. Once you've added in that observation, it will now show up on your bird list. The Merlin Bird ID app can also help you in your birding ventures. It will record audio and bring up a potential list of birds around you. After confirming that the bird is around with a visual observation, you can enter that count into eBird. A good practice for birding is that you count the highest number of birds that you see in one area. For example, if you see one great blue heron flying by, you would count that as one great blue heron. But if later you see two great blue herons in the same area, you would count that as two great blue herons instead of three. The app allows you to track your bird walk route. If you click the map icon in the top left-hand corner of the app, it will bring up a live map of your progress. The list icon in the bottom of the app will bring up all the birds you've observed during your count. You can easily increase the count by clicking the number on the left-hand side of the screen in this view. After you're done with your walk, just select Stop in the bottom right-hand corner to stop your track. Select the location of your walk and fill in extra details such as number of observers, minutes, miles, and confirming that this is a complete checklist of birds you were able to identify. You can also review the number of species that you've seen during this walk. And once all that is set, just click Submit. This checklist will now show up in your eBird account. Finalizing your eBird checklist and sharing it with eSide Audubon has to be done on a desktop computer. Watch our next video for a guide on how to do this.